guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a package from kind Tallan over there in Spain. Thank you so much, my friend. He wanted to send me a package as a gift, does not want anything in return, but I will get something sorted out when I can. First met Carlos a while back. He'd watched my videos and he put a couple of videos up, sent to me privately, because obviously within his videos you can see subtitles, so he asked if I'd check the subtitles out. I sent them private to me first, and then I would say if they were okay or whatever. They were absolutely spot on. Outstanding picker, fantastic channel, so subscribe guys. I was in Portugal the other week when this came. As you know, Carlos, quite a few problems, me flying off, package coming in, unsure where I was sort of going, and luckily DPD, who delivered it, give it to my next door neighbour. So it's an unboxing. Thank you so much, my friend. You really didn't have to send this. I know you don't want anything in return, but I will get something sorted out when I get a chance. So let's have a look. Turned it this way because the edges of the box are on inside. He did say it's some padlocks from my collection. Let's put a bit more foil and stuff on it. Right, so that's now open. First one out. Let's have a look. Little bit of paper in there. Helix padlock, manufacturer East Germany before 1973. Manufacturer already don't exist. Brand new from an old unsold stock. I'm really sorry for the camera light as well. That's the padlock. That's going to be fun, and add to my collection of unusual padlocks and vintage padlocks. Helix, yep, never heard of it. 1973. Well, I was born in 1972, so what, 45, 46 years of age when they were established. Thank you, Carlos, my friend. Oh, I like that. I do hope this camera does not run out. RGM padlock, very similar to the Yale older padlocks with the engravement on. Another little note in there. RGM padlock, made in Spain, probably in 70s, but not sure. The manufacturer already don't exist. Not easy to find. I'm going to pop this back in that bag. I'll keep that there, actually. Let's have a look at this one. UCEH. Maybe some kind of warded lock. Beautiful again, Carlos, my friend. Yeah, UCEM guarded lock from 30s to 40s, brand new from an unsold stock. Lovely padlock, look at that. You're an absolute gem, my friend. And there's more to come. Put that to one side. Unsure what that says on it till I read the notes. Nice shackle. Interesting keys. Probably not going to see that. I'll add photographs afterwards. Toka's 395/50 padlock, manufactured in Czech Republic before 1973, brand new from an old stock. Again, beautiful padlock for my collection. You are a gent, my friend. Let's pop these to one side. Carlos, you've really loaded this box up. It says rich on there. Let's have a look. Hardened shackle IFAM, made in Spain. Oh, now that is really interesting. It's like a closed shackle padlock. As you can see from that, the brass runs all the way up from the bottom. Stop cutting. And you have a look at this note in there. I found 40mm padlock, probably from 80s but not sure. It has an unusual logo and anti-cut feature. It does, yes, it's brilliant. Not easy to find. Well, Carlos, I've never seen one like that before, my friend, so thank you, and it's going to go brilliantly again with my collection. Gonna have fun picking these. Ooh. Get this open. Lince padlock, Spain. $50mm. Let's pop that there. Lince 50mm padlock from 80s, unused from old stock. So it's a new padlock. Let's pop that there. You've put so much in here, Carlos, that I do really have to speed things up. Yep. Hi Rich, my friend, just some padlocks for your collection. Hope you like them. Cheers, Carlos. Amazing, my friend. Absolutely amazing. I'll pop them all there. Cannot wait to pick them, put them on display. Beautiful, really, really beautiful. So, muchas gracias, amigo. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Muchas gracias. You're a true gent. Thank you so much. On a note, if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and always keep it legal.